Hello everyone. Run it under running tap water to remove any dirt or impurities. Add some carrots for color and health. For the green onion, only use the white part of the root. Once the water is boiling, remove from heat. Add the spinach and blanch for 20 to 30 seconds. Rinse the cooked spinach in cold water to preserve its bright color and crisp texture. Gently squeeze the cooked spinach by hand to remove excess water. Careful not to crush the spinach out of anger while thinking about your husband or boyfriend. Squeeze with just the right amount of pressure to prevent it from wilting. Mix the spinach with the seasonings until they are evenly coated.